The TalkBack method for FRP bypass is failing on your Samsung even though you followed every single step correctly, and that is because the security patch on your device has closed that specific door for good. Instead of wasting another hour trying TalkBack, let's move into the solution's work right now. We transition to a powerful free alternative called SamFirm AIO version 3.3 if your phone is on a newer patch. Once you have the program open, go to the upper right corner of the interface, where you will find the options to reset FRP. Click Reset FRP, and a prompt will immediately instruct you to go to the emergency dialer on the phone and enter *#0*#. After you input that code, the program takes over lifting, while you just wait. Additionally, if you are working with a slightly older firmware version, you might want to keep PrimeToolX in your back pocket. It clearly lists which specific models it can remove FRP for, and it is worth checking that list before you move on to other methods. However, if you want to skip the guesswork and the potential driver issues that come with these free tools, MagFone Android Unlocker is your choice. This software is designed to unlock Android and bypass Google FRP lock. Before you connect the phone, you simply choose your specific Android version from the drop-down menu and click the Start button. MagFone then leads you back to the device's welcome page where you will tap Emergency Call and enter *0*#, which instantly launches the hidden diagnostic menu required to begin the FRP bypass workflow. If you are ready to finally get past that lock screen and need a reliable way to unlock your device, just head over to Google, search for MagFone Android Unlocker, install the official version, and start restoring access to your phone.